Hi, Gary Klaben here. You know, this question's been out there for a little over a year. The Department of Labor put out about this fiduciary rule. So in our world, there are brokers and there are registered investment advisors, and you might be asking yourself, what's the difference? So full disclosure, Coyle Financial Counsel is a registered investment advisor held to this fiduciary rule. Now, what's the difference? Well, a broker basically is held to a sustainability standard to place clients in suitable investments, meeting their goals and risk tolerance. They are allowed to pick investments that pay more than an equivalent option. And this is what the Department of Labor is saying is a conflict of interest, specifically for retirement funds only. Now, what's a registered investment advisor? Well, they're held to a fiduciary standard, which requires putting clients' interest ahead of their own, and requires investment is not only suitable but can't enrich the advisor at the client's expense. And again, Department of Labor is looking at that fiduciary rule as being the standard for all retirement accounts, and a lot of large companies have had to look at their particular investments to determine if they meet the fiduciary rule, well as their advisors meeting that rule as well. Now, there was an act that came out in 1940. It's called the Investment Advisors Act of 1940 that basically laid out this whole fiduciary standard that has been adhered to by typically registered investment advisors. So it's been around a long time. It's been tested for a long time. It's just something that has not become a ubiquitous standard throughout the industry. It is something that we advocate for, and obviously the Department of Labor has as well, because we feel that that's kind of a standard that makes sense relative to the kind of advice that's being given out to our clients and folks out there. And there's about 500,000 advisors in the United States, and they're under either that broker definition standard, or they're under the registered investment advisor standard. Now, if this is a little confusing to you, there's an article that we have attached that you can certainly read about it, or you can also give us a call and we'll walk you through what the difference between broker standard and a registered investment advisor fiduciary standard is, and the differences between those two. So until next time, enjoy.